Nirma and Babita sharing happiness, enjoyment, excited. It is there. There is something to change. There's something to look forward. But some of you have got this fear. What impact will this have? How will it affect me? The threat. Don't know. We never knew that this is going to be bigger than we thought. If you recall, on the very first week, 2 months back, there was only a 1 day lockdown wherein we thought that this is going to be the end. Or maybe a fortnight. Now it will end. Then again a fortnight. Now it will end. What is going on? Even the WHO has released a report today which says that it won't go. We have to live with it. So it is something which is getting bigger than I thought, and then all the kind of responses which you gave showed that there exists anxiety, fear, threat, guilt, disillusionment, want to run away. Somebody said feeling lonely. If I'm right, Mr. Rajeshwar said I'm feeling lonely. So disillusionment, feeling to run off from the situation. All this kind of thing which is very normal when change happens. What do we do? Somebody asked what to do next. We are lost. So all this is also a concern all throughout the industry, and various big corporate houses are going through to answer this question. They have done a survey. A survey was done by Massachusetts Institute of Technology along with Josh Bersin, who is an HR expert. And during this survey, they identified the top 4 issues for this kind of problem which is existing on the employee's mind. The top 4 issues being the financial security, which is to the tune of 81%, the health and well-being, which is the tune of 56%, the family, the productivity and the work. And believe you me, along with this, there was a report during this study only, wherein a big company like Deloitte shared that only 47% of the employees had the capability to meet this crisis. And a bigger organization like PricewaterhouseCoopers shared that if now they will be able to implement only 77% of the safety measures, still 23% are vulnerable. With 50% of the people don't have any remote work policy. This is what we are talking about, change. And this is what causes the anxiety, the sadness, the fear, the threat, and that's why we are here today. So what kind of changes do we perceive? Let's see. The 3 types of changes are there. But before that, what are the forces of change? In fact, as a trainer, earlier, I used to always talk about change being something which is there as a force of growth. As Jack Ma said, don't think that this is a year of growth and building your career. This is a year of survival. If you live, you can grow by leaps and bounds. So here, the force of change is very different. The force of change is controlling all the other kinds of changes. The force of change here is Corona. It's controlling the demographics, it's controlling the technology, it's controlling the economic shocks, the competition, globalization, world politics. We are in for more. The change is being controlled by the one factor which is giving a threat to the humanity. So what are the 3 types of changes which we are seeing these days? The operational change, the transformational change, the accidental change. What is the kind of operational change we might undergo? As somebody mentioned, I don't know what's going to happen next. So there was a news regarding Lava Mobile. I'm sure you must be watching, because news is something which has become a part and parcel of our life. Day in and day out, we keep checking our messages, our TV channels. We keep seeing as to viewing what's going to happen. What's the figure now? Keeping that in mind, there was a news about Lava Mobile, which made some changes in the work style. Where it used to produce around 60,000 mobiles in a day, it has reduced to one-fourth its capability just to 15,000. Where they had an employee range of around 3,000, they have reduced to only 600 of employees covering. And over and above that, they are going up with an extra expenditure of providing all the kind of safety kits, the sanitization methods, the cleanliness is gone over and above. So moving on to the mere basics, changing the style of functioning. The transformational change is basically the job redesign, the redesign of the place of work, the organization renewal. And I'm sure you must have heard about our airlines. In order to renew their work, they are removing the middle line of seats so that they can maintain the social distancing. Not only this, the accidental change, and I'm sure all of you must have heard the yesterday PM's speech, wherein he has laid down 20 lakh crores of rupees to revive the economy, to revive the people, to bring them out of this difficulty. But at the same time, we must be aware the economic slowdown has wiped off around 7 to 8 lakh crores of rupees. So this is the kind of accidental change which we are going through. Now, moving on to the next part, which is very, very important and close to us. Personally and professionally, what are the categories of change which we are seeing? So my dear friends, we have got three categories of changes: the structure, technology, and people. So while I spell out what exactly each of these consists of, I will request you all to go in for your chat box and rate in structure out of authority relationships, coordinating mechanisms, job redesign, and spans of control. Which one do you feel is the biggest threat to you? So I'll request Anubha ma'am again to support me with the chat box, and please write down which out of these is the biggest threat to you.
So maybe I'll just rephrase. So, okay, so Gaurav says people is the biggest threat to him. Maybe you can just use STP or TPS or PTS, you know, just a acronym. Which one is the most important to you to the least important? So S is for structure, T is for technology, P is for people. Okay, so Amitabh says job design and control. Sudhir Jat says structure. Which Ravi says SPT, that is structure, people and technology. Garima says again S, that is structure. Structure by 50%, tech and people by 20 and 30 by Vikrant. That is Rajeshwar says structure, technology, and last would be people. Rohit says people. Jayant says again people. Manvi says people. SK Sharma sir says people. Manish says people. Oh my God, beautiful. Okay, again people. So Manpreet says structure and people. Suki says people. Atul which says people, people, people. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Technology, you know, people and then structure. Same is like we have PST, that is people, structure, and then technology. So I think again it's a blend, Pooja. So all to you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. And thank you all my friends for sharing this wonderful piece and coming out so openly with the kind of threats, the kind of problems you all are facing. And most of us have seen that we are facing structure, technology, and people as a change in all three parameters. Right. So what is the kind of change we see in structure? So let me share with you. In fact, in structure, we are talking about authority relationships. So both in the personal and professional front, authority relationships is something is about your bosses or about the person who is heading your family, the head of the family, the one whom we actually take instructions or are obedient towards. So authority relationships, that will change. Definitely it's going to be more of a mixed work culture. Coordinating mechanisms, we all know we used to coordinate mostly through the phones, mobile phones, mostly through WhatsApp, and the maximum coordination was face to face. Sitting down over a meeting room or face to face in a room. was the major reason, major way, method behind Quad Vision. It has all boiled down to digital media. Job redesign. Now, all of us hear from different industries, but if I give you just one example of a pharmaceutical industry, many of the industries have moved from just making drugs to making safety and equipments like the PPE kits, the masks, the sanitizers. The job redesign, they've shifted. The spans of control have changed. Moving over to technology, the work processes, the work methods. At this point of time, I'll just give you one example.